What is this? And who are you? What are you doing in my house?
Good evening, Ma.
I didn't ask for your name. I said, what are you doing in my house? Huh? Son, this is how I raised you. To sit in my house and behave like a stranger. It's not a hotel. It's not a street. This is my house. I raised you as a child, basically. Not a boy who hide behind me. Show it.
Hard that I fell in love, but my heart is broken. My heart is broken. My heart is broken. My heart is broken. My heart is
Hello. Listen, I know today was ugly. I know I failed you in front of someone who matters, but please, don't think I agreed with it. I stood up because I was shocked, not because I didn't care. Right now, if you walk away, it means she wins and I lose everything. I don't need perfection from you. I just want you to stay. Please. Huh? Hello?
Do you love me as I love you? Do you care as I care? See the love I've got for you.
Where are you going, son? Listen, I'm not here to fight you. I'm not here to spoil your happiness. I just want you to think life is not easy as love. You must remember, I raised you to be strong, not careless. Oh, so it has got to that. Son, you walk over me.
I've got for you is a secret love.
Fred!
Secret love I've got for you. You know, dear, I miss you. You know, I wish you were mine forever.
I know you don't want to see me, but I couldn't stay away. Yesterday, I felt so small for the first time in my life. Not because of my mom, but because I saw how I failed you. I stood up and said nothing. And in that silence, I said to myself, I lost you. But I can't promise you an easy life. I promise you I won't be quiet again.
You hurt me.
I know. And I'm trying to fix whatever that I broke.
Please, Fred, do not make me regret this.
I won't. Trust me.
If you look deep in my eyes, do you see the
Okay.
love I got for you? Do you love love me? I said love you. Do you care? I said I care. If you look deep in my eyes.
Oh, Fred. Look at the time. Have you checked the time? It's getting to 1 a.m. Why, son? You are not coming home. Why?
What exactly do you think is wrong with what I'm doing?
I'm not your enemy. I'm only a foot for you. Son, you have changed. And you are still young for all this.
You're right. It's not simple. But I'll try. I see my money. Just leave me. Let me live my own choices. Okay?
So,
do you love me? I said love you. Do you care? I said I care. If you look deep in my eyes, do you see the love I got for you? Do you love me? I said love you. Do you care? I said I care. If you look deep in my eyes, do you see the love I got for you? It's a secret love, secret love, secret. Ooh, yeah. Do you love me? I said love you. Do you care? I said I care. If you look deep in my eyes, do you see the love I got for you?
son, are you going to school?
No. I'm going out. I'll be back in a week.
Hey! Where?
I've hired a room.
Hide a room? Son, who are you staying with?
I'm alone.
God for you.
And your education? Your school? Have you thought about it?
I'm not going again, no.
Son, don't joke with your future.
Mom, I'm tired of this talk. What do you want me to do? What do you want from me? Just leave me alone. Let me live my life.
You leave me alone? Are you still a young boy?
I'm not a young boy anymore. That's what you think.
You are the one. My heart is waiting for you, and I've made up my mind to be there for you. See, you are the one. My heart is waiting for you, and I've made up my mind to be there for you. You are the one. My heart is waiting for you, and I've made up my mind to be there for you. I've got for you.
So this is where you hide now. Son, you walk around like I don't exist. I didn't raise you to come and embarrass me. You want to disgrace me, right? Is that what you want? Son? Gosh, I give you everything. Is that how you want to pay me? What is coming over you? Are you out of your senses?
Listen, Mom, I love you. And no matter what, you have to understand, you're still going to be my mom. But I love her too. And for the first time of my life, I'm choosing my own happiness. I'm not running away from you, Mom. I'm just asking you to let me be a man.
So, I'm the one standing on your way now. One day, you understand me.
You are the one. My heart is waiting for you. And I've made up my mind to be there for you. See, you are the one. My heart is waiting for you. And I've made up my mind to be there for you.
Young lady. Why? I'm not here to harm you. Don't be scared. I'm here to talk with you.
Okay, ma. You can.
Thank you. Young lady, what you and my son doing? Have you ever thought about what it will lead you? You are still a child. Have you thought about it?
Ma, Fred said he can take care of me in any situation.
You're just a child. Love sounds brave when life is easy, my dear. Have you ever thought yourself if he gets you pregnant? Can he take care of you?
He said he can take care of me.
He said he can take care of you. And you believe him?
He promised me everything.
Promise you everything? And you still trust him? You guys are teenagers. My dear, think about your education, your future. I'm just here to advise you. Then, let's test him.
Test?
How? Pretend you're pregnant.
Ma.
Yes. Just pretend you're pregnant. Yes. Let's see how he strategize. How he can plan. And how he will go about it. Young lady, if my son passes this, then I'll welcome you in my house. Then you become his wife.
My heart is broken.
I'm not doing this
My heart is broken.
to destroy your relationship, but to
My
protect
heart is broken. My heart is broken. The most painful thing is seeing the one that you love somebody else. The most painful thing is seeing the one that you love somebody else. My heart is broken. My heart is broken. My heart is broken. My heart is.
You are the one. My heart is waiting for you. And I've made up my mind to be there for you.
I'm going to be a father soon. Wow. Wow. Stepford is good.
See you are the one. My heart is waiting for you. And I've made up my mind to be there for you. You are the one. And I've made up my mind to be there for you. Because I love